Just got yourself a new Honda Odyssey Sport or EXL? Or maybe you've been driving one for a while and want to explore more of what it can really do? You're in the right place. In this short video, I'm walking you through 15 useful tips and tricks that'll give any new owner a solid head start. It's not a full deep dive, but it's a great way to get familiar with some everyday features you might have missed. Let's get into it. Don't like the idea of stepping into a freezing van or a sweltering interior? You're in luck. Honda Odyssey includes remote engine start right on the key fob. Here's how to activate it. Press the lock button once to secure the vehicle. Then press and hold the circular arrow button until the parking lights blink. The engine will start up, and the system will automatically begin warming or cooling the cabin depending on the outside temperature. It runs for 10 minutes by default. Want to extend it? Just repeat the same steps for another 10-minute cycle. But after 2 back-to-back starts without driving, the system disables itself until you start the car normally, just in case someone was fiddling with the fob. Once you're ready to drive, step inside, press the brake, and hit the start button like normal. Until then, the screens remain off and the shifter stays locked for safety. One heads up, remote start only works if all doors and the tailgate are fully closed. To turn it off early, press unlock once, then press and hold the circular arrow button again until you see the lights flash. Want to let the heat out before jumping in without even starting the van? First, press the unlock button once, then press and hold it, and all 4 windows will roll down, plus the sunroof. Let go when they're low enough, or keep holding for about 10 seconds to fully open everything. To close them back up, pull out the physical key from your fob, insert it into the driver's door, turn it left once to lock, then turn and hold it again. The windows and sunroof will shut automatically. Prefer not to have this feature active, especially when rain sneaks up on you? You can turn it off by going to Vehicle Settings, then Door and Window Setup, Remote Window Control, and switching it off. No more digging through pockets or bags. Smart Entry on the Odyssey has you covered. Grab the rear door handle with the key on you, and all the doors unlock by default. Super handy for school runs or loading everyone in at once. Now, if you grab the driver's door handle, it only unlocks the driver's door by default. Want all doors to unlock instead? You can easily change that. Just go into Vehicle Settings, tap Keyless Access Setup, then Door Unlock Mode, and select all doors. Dead key fob? Don't worry, you're not locked out of your Odyssey. Just slide the release on the back of the fob to pull out the physical key. Under the driver's door handle, you'll find a hidden key slot. Insert, turn, and you're in. To start the engine, step on the brake and press the start button with the key fob itself. The Odyssey will detect the chip inside, even if the fob battery is completely dead. You can lock your Odyssey in a few different ways. First, press the lock button on the key fob. With the fob nearby, press the small rubber button on the door handle. After closing the tailgate, press the lock button under the Honda emblem to secure everything. No fob? Just press the lock button inside the door, either on the driver's or passenger's side. Since your Odyssey has Smart Entry, it will beep 10 times before locking to warn you. Finally, you can also enable walk-away auto lock. Once the engine's off and all doors are shut, just walk away with the key. The Odyssey will lock itself automatically after a few steps, with a single beep to let you know it worked. To turn this on, go to Vehicle Settings, Door and Window Setup, then Walk Away Auto Lock. Convenient, right? Did you know your Odyssey has a special mode just for conveyor-style car washes? It's called Neutral Hold Mode, and it keeps your van moving at a steady pace, without you having to hold the brake or the gas. Here's how to use it. With the engine running, press and hold the brake. Tap the neutral button. When you see neutral hold on the screen, release it. Press and hold neutral one more time for 2 seconds to activate the mode. That's it. The van will stay in neutral until you shift into park, or after 15 minutes, whichever comes first. It's not a must for a car wash, but it definitely makes the ride through smoother and hands-free. Did you know that if you have a power tailgate on your Odyssey, standard on the EXL, you can also adjust the tailgate height? Just open it to your preferred height, then press and hold the close button until you hear a couple of beeps. That's it. The perfect height will be set for next time. Every Odyssey comes with a super convenient driving position memory system. And yes, the side mirrors are memory linked too. Here's how to set it up. Start the engine, adjust the driver's seat and side mirrors just the way you like them. Then, press the set button on the driver's door, and within 5 seconds, press 1 or 2. You'll hear a beep confirming it's saved. The number on the back of your key fob matches the memory slot it's linked to. Next time you walk up with your fob and grab the handle, the seat and mirrors will auto-adjust to your saved settings. It might take a second, so give it a moment. If it doesn't adjust or you've got the wrong fob, just press the memory button inside the door to recall your setup manually. Bonus: when you turn the car off and open the driver's door, the seat automatically slides back to make getting out easier. Even climate and vehicle settings are tied to your fob. Your Odyssey remembers it all, making switching drivers super easy and seamless. Need better access to the third row, or just want to split up the second row seats? Here's a great trick. You can completely remove the center seat and slide the side seats into 4 different positions. Here's how to do it. First, fold down the center armrest using the latch on the right side. Then, pull the latch at the bottom, right across from the cup holders. Lift the back of the center seat and carefully remove it. It's a bit heavy, so take your time. Now, grab the handle at the bottom of either side seat and pull up to slide them inward. To reinstall the center seat, just hook it onto the anchor bar, lower the back, and listen for the click. That means it's locked in. It's a simple setup, but one that adds a lot of flexibility. Perfect for road trips, carpools, or everyday life with kids. By default, on the Odyssey, all doors unlock when you shift into park and open the driver's door. Want to change that? No problem. Just go to Vehicle Settings, Door Window Setup, then Auto Door Unlock, and pick the option that fits your routine best. Unlock all doors when shifted to park. Unlock all doors when the ignition turns off, or turn it off completely, so the doors stay locked until you manually unlock them. It's a small tweak, but one that makes getting in and out easier, especially with family on board. Your Odyssey automatically locks the doors once you hit about 10 miles per hour. But if you'd rather have the doors locked the moment you shift out of park, you can easily change that. On your main touchscreen, go to Vehicle Settings, then Door Setup, Auto Door Lock, and pick the timing that works best for you. It's a simple way to keep your doors secure and your drive worry-free. Stuck in traffic? The Odyssey's brake hold feature, standard on every trim, makes life easier. After you buckle up, just press the brake hold button. When you come to a complete stop, you can take your foot off the brake. Your van will stay put until you press the accelerator. The brake lights stay on too, letting drivers behind know you're stopped. Once it's on, you don't have to press the button again. Just watch for the green hold light on the dash. It'll keep working every time you stop until you turn it off. And for added peace of mind, if you stay still for 10 minutes, the Odyssey switches on the parking brake for extra safety. Activating the parking brake is simple. Just push the switch on the left side of the dash, near the driver's door. It works just like the old school foot brake you used to press down. To turn it off manually, pull the switch toward you while holding the brake pedal. And here's the cool part, it also releases automatically. As long as your seatbelt is fastened, just press the gas pedal and the parking brake disengages on its own. Smooth, easy, and hands-free. Every Odyssey helps keep the cabin calm with a thoughtful feature hidden in the audio settings, audio zones. This lets you direct sound just to the driver's speakers, so you can listen to your podcast or nav guidance while the back rows stay quiet. perfect when the kids are napping. And here's a nice bonus. With Sirius XM, you can use the playback bar to replay songs and shows with up to an hour of stored content ready to go. Using an iPhone? Good news, Apple Maps and Waze directions show up right on your instrument panel once you've set a destination. Just scroll to the navigation page using the steering wheel roller. A quick note, Google Maps doesn't seem to support this integration yet. Directions simply don't appear on the instrument cluster display. Have a favorite Odyssey tip of your own? Drop it in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more helpful content.